My name is Jan Metzdorff. I'm the president for Phonak here in the US since 1st of September. Very excited and very happy to be here. I'm a little bit new to the US market, but I'm not new to the industry. I spent the past 12 years with Sonova in various capacities. I spent 6 years in the UK as managing director over there, and I spent 6 years overlooking Unitron's global business prior to coming here to Warrenville. This is a very exciting time at Phonak, and I think I have arrived here at a very pivotal moment for the company. We're just launching our new Belong platform, which is a unique step forward in technology, in sound processing. Key story around that is really our operating system, the AutoSense, that we have enhanced, and we have enhanced that with Sound Recover 2. And you will remember that we launched frequency compression, I think back in 2008, 2009. And that was an industry first at that time. We have now taken it one step further. We are launching that now with adaptive frequency compression under the name Sound Recover 2. The real uniqueness around Audeo Belong Rechargeable is really that you get 24 hours of usage on one single charge. And one single charge takes 3 to 4 hours only. And that allows you to take your device and use it for a full day, at least a full day, even with streaming and full functionality of the product. And that's very unique. Innovation and technology is really in the heart of what we're doing here at Phonak. It's a core piece of our DNA. A year and a half ago, we opened PARC, Phonak Audiological Research Center here in Warrenville. In PARC, we do validation, we do trials, and this is where we really prove that our technology works. We're a great believer in evidence-based science and that the products can deliver what we're expecting them to deliver in a real-life situation out in the marketplace. The US market is a very dynamic marketplace right now. There's a big difference in the consumer who walks into a clinic today. They are much more informed, they know what they are coming in for, they have expectations, they have demands. They see the world in a much different way than they did maybe some years ago. So in Phonak, we really believe in the value of the hearing care practitioner. We develop great products, but they're only as good as the programming, the consultation, and the counseling that is provided for that product to the end user who's gonna wear and use our product. We're investing a lot into our practice development team and to all the services and tools that they're able to provide to our business partners and to the clinicians in the field. For instance, in this digital world, what does that mean in a clinic? What is digital marketing versus print marketing? How do you do internet promotion? How do you do search engine optimization? How does lead generation work, and so on? And these are all topics and themes that are crucial and very important in our industry. On one hand, we're dealing in high-tech products, high-tech technology, and you would think this is what it's all about. But reality is it's a very emotional industry and a very emotional business as well. And it's a business that builds a lot on trust. A lot of what you're selling is the trust that I can solve the hearing problem that you might have, that I can find a solution for you. So that applies from us to our customers, which is the hearing healthcare practitioner, but of course also out to the end user who is wearing these devices at the end. The trust component of the business, the emotional component of the business is very, very big for us. It's really in the core of how we see the marketplace, how we see our customer relationships, and we put a lot of focus on that. It's a very exciting time at Phonak. It's a very exciting time and a very important and critical time for our industry. I look forward to come out and meet with you in the marketplace, in your clinic, and look forward to sit down and work with you together. How can we move our company, our business, and our relationship forward together?